Toronto Paramedic Services provides 24/7 emergency pre-hospital care and ambulance transportation that could be the difference between life or death. This audit assessed whether Toronto Paramedic Services is providing a timely emergency response across the city while optimizing its resources. Although ambulance response targets were met about 80% of the time in 2023 for life-threatening calls, the response times are getting longer. The average response times for life-threatening and highest acuity patients increased 6% and 14% respectively from 2019 to 2023. Every second matters when it's a matter of life or death. A timely response depends on having enough available ambulances to respond. Toronto Paramedic Services spent on average a total of almost 2.5 hours each day with 5 or less available ambulances. The number of episodes with no available ambulances increased from 29 in 2019 to over 1,200 episodes in 2023. Healthcare system pressures have contributed to the increasing response times. More people rely on paramedic services and hospital emergency departments as a safety net to access basic healthcare when other options are unavailable. Offload delays are a significant factor, as 60% of a paramedic's time is spent in hospitals to transfer patients, and this trend has been increasing. Staffing challenges are another factor. Staffing can be an issue when demand peaks for paramedic services, such as on weekends, weeknights after 9 p.m., and during the summer and fall months. Voluntary overtime and end-of-shift overtime is being used to manage these peak periods. We found that Toronto Paramedic Services needs to determine its optimal staffing levels and better manage staffing at these peak times. We identified several opportunities to help free up resources for higher acuity calls going forward, such as exploring strategies to better address some low acuity calls and diverting some mental health calls to partners in the future. The Auditor General has made 10 recommendations to help Toronto Paramedic Services improve the efficiency and effectiveness of its operations. To find out more, visit toronto.ca/audit.